In this video I'm gonna show you how to make an Afro House drop, like artist says black coffee and the Yora. So the final result will sound something like this. For this video I collabed with Project Base. Project Base is focused on tech house samples and Ableton project files, so if you want to check it out, it's linked down below as well. Make sure to give them a follow. So let's straight dive into it. Let's start with the vocal. I got one loaded up from the new Motion pack. It's linked down below if you want to check it out as well. It sounds like this, which is a bit too commercial for Afro House, so we're gonna pitch it down 3 semitones to G minor. Something like this, giving way better vibes. So now we're gonna dive into Afro drums. So open up the drum section from the Motion pack and pick a kick from it. So we'll be using this one, just at every hit. Something like this. And then we're gonna drop in a clap. And this time we'll be using a shaker as an open hat. Giving this basic drum loop, so now we're gonna spice it up with some percussion shots. So first, place it right here. Of course, get it slightly off the grid because a human can't hit exactly on the grid. Then drop in another one. This one will be layered with every first clap. And then drop in this one. Basically following the same rhythm as the first one we placed, but then switched around, first hitting at the last bar of the first kick, and then at the half beat instead of half beat and last bar. So this will be our percussive foundation. Now we're gonna spice it up with some loops, just to thicken up the sound and give it a bit more depth. So first the shaker loop. Another one. And finish off with this top loop. And then we just need a little bit more groove, so drop in this percussive one and turn it into a full drum loop. So altogether the Afro House drums sound like this. So then we're gonna dive into bass. I got this new Serum loaded up, so let's make a preset from the Motion pack. Let's use this one. So we are working in G minor. Let's start from the root note. Then go up. First tweak the preset a little bit. Like this. So then we go up to the 4th and the 5th note of the scale. And finish it off on the root note. Bass is a little bit too harsh right now, so we're just gonna EQ it. Only using the sub of the bass. Something like this. So then we need to layer it. Little less harsh. Preset. I think this one could work. So got rid of the low end. And again, tweak the ADSR a little bit. Yeah, that's way better. So then again, to make it a little bit more interesting, I want to add a rhythmic bass to it as well, just to give it some groove. Let's use this saw bass and create a basic rhythm. Make the notes a little bit shorter to avoid overlapping notes. Yeah, this will be the rhythm. Then just spread it out over the chords. And of course we need to remove the low end, because he already made a sub for it. Give a bit more bounce to it. So we got the drums, bass and vocal ready, so now it's time to dive into the lead elements. Again, a new Serum, and pick a lead sound from the pack. Let's use this Serum Preset and create a melody. We are working in G minor, so we're gonna start off on the third note of the scale and then go down. And just messing around a bit actually. We're going down to the C, so let's use the D and F. Back to the root. Just like this. Then we're gonna make it a bit more interesting by slapping on a lot of delay with a really high wetness, giving that Medusa kind of effect. So sounds like this. Then we're gonna make it a bit more Afro-ish by dropping in this kalimba plug. Let's make an arp melody with it. Starting on the root notes. Yeah, randomize the velocity a little bit because we want to humanize it and just drop it in. Sounding like this. Again, adding a little something to it. It's just building it up. Then we're gonna copy over the bass MIDI and drop it in a new Serum. Just like this, to create that typical Afro House kind of style lead. Sounding like this, and then drop it in at just a really low point. Like this. Then to finish it off, I want to drop in a really rhythmic arp. So just pick a random plug from the pack. Let's use the first one. And give it a really short decay, below 100 milliseconds. And go from the root to the 5th note of the scale. And that's basically the arp. Sounding like this. Maybe the decay is a little too short. Yeah, keep it just like this. Just a crush. No, you can't fool me. So that's it for all the elements. Now I'm gonna quickly create a build up with the other element. So drop in the bass, the kick, percussion, the arp we just created, and an up and down lifter. I also reverse this synth to add some more energy. So that's how you make an Afro House drop. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. And I see y'all in the next videos. But I'm not blind. No, I'm not blind.